Salads are my go-to recipes during summer, and today I have a salad recipe for you that you can find in every Thai restaurant. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani. Welcome to Rajshri Food, and let's begin with the recipe for Somtam salad or Thai Papaya salad. So I'm going to start with boiling some water because I need to blanch a few French beans. So let's turn on the flame. Let the water come to a boil. So of course the main ingredient of the salad is raw papaya. So I've used about 300 grams of papaya. But now I'll show you how to julienne them. So I have a knife over here. It's called a julienne knife. It's got a blade as well as some teeth, because of which you can make neat equal sized juliennes. Peel the papaya. And now I'm going to start running this knife through and make the juliennes. Be very careful, this knife is extremely sharp. As you can see, this is how the juliennes are made. You can use the same knife to make carrot juliennes, zucchini juliennes, cucumber juliennes. These are ready and I'm going to put them away in this bowl. Same way, I've also made juliennes of 1 carrot, and this is how they look. The water has come to a boil, and now I'm going to add in about 8 to 10 French beans that have cross-cut. Just boil this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Meanwhile, let's give the papaya and the carrots an ice bath. A few cubes of ice and add some water. Let them soak for about 5 minutes. This helps in making the papaya and the carrots nice and crunchy. The French beans seem to be done. Let's get them out and also add them in the ice bath. Let's keep this aside. Next, in a mortar and pestle, I'm going to make the dressing. So for the dressing, I'm going to use some spicy chilies. So for this, I'm going to use the Thai chilies. Basically, they are even called the bird's eye chilies, and they're super spicy. So please add according to your tolerance. They're very spicy, so warning. I'm just going to add 2. Next, add in 1.5 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. If you do not have rice wine vinegar, you can always add in half a lemon extra. Juice of 1 lemon. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic. Next, add in 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, or 1 tablespoon of white sugar, or 2 tablespoons of honey, whatever you want to use. Add in a few leaves of basil. Let's crush all of these ingredients properly. Also add in some salt to taste. Just make sure that the brown sugar melts completely. This is done. Time to toss up the salad. So remove the vegetables from the ice. Make sure you drain out all the water. I have a few tips and tricks for you. Stay tuned till the end, and don't forget to catch me every Monday on Rajshri Food. Next, add in 7 to 8 cherry tomatoes, halved, some coriander leaves. This is optional, so if you want to add, just add a dash, not much. Time to add the dressing. Make sure you get all the contents. Toss it up. Make sure the dressing nicely coats the vegetables. Just before serving, add in about a handful of peanuts and keep some for garnish. Let's do a slight taste for salt and lemon. Crunchy papaya needs a little bit of salt and lemon. Final toss. Time to plate. Make sure you pour all the dressing over the salad, because all the flavor goodness is in this. This is my favorite salad and I can't wait to dig in. So please give it a try. Let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. I'm going to give you some tricks to pre-prep the salad. Julienne all your vegetables, give it an ice bath, remove it from the water and chill them completely. You can even make the dressing in a bottle, give it a good shake and then keep it in the fridge as well. When you're ready to serve, just toss both of them up together, sprinkle some peanuts and you're ready to go.